In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate lead list creation by combining web scraping and data filtering nodes. This process is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their lead generation efforts, ensuring that you not only gather data efficiently, but also refine it to fit your specific needs. First things first, let's kick things off by diving into web scraping. This is where we'll extract data from websites that are potential gold mines for leads. Web scraping can be an incredibly powerful tool, especially if you know exactly what you're looking for. Imagine having access to a wealth of information ripe for the picking without the need for manual copying and pasting. It's essential to have a web scraping tool or software ready. This could be a browser extension or a standalone application depending on your personal preference. Set it up by entering the URL of the website you're targeting. This could be anything from online directories to company websites. Once your tool is configured, specify the data elements you want to extract. These could include names, job titles, company names, email addresses, and phone numbers, whatever information is relevant to your lead list. And the key here is precision. The better you define what you need, the cleaner and more useful your data will be. Now, let's pivot to data filtering nodes. This step is crucial because collecting data is just one part of the equation. What you really want is data that's relevant and actionable. Data filtering nodes help by allowing you to set specific criteria, transforming raw data into a curated list that meets your criteria. Start by identifying the specific attributes that are most important for your leads. Perhaps you only want leads from a specific geographical region or within certain industries. Make sure to configure your nodes to reflect these conditions. Once you've set up these parameters, the filtering nodes work their magic, sorting through the data collected during the scraping process and filtering out any irrelevant information. Think of it as a digital sieve, ensuring only the most promising leads make it through. Combining these two elements, web scraping and data filtering, creates a seamless workflow that not only saves time but also significantly boosts the quality of your lead list. You'll find that your leads are more targeted and aligned with your business goals, significantly increasing your chances of conversion. Ensure you periodically review and adjust your scraping and filtering criteria. This keeps the system dynamic and responsive to any changes in your business objectives or in the available data. This approach to automating lead list creation is about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging technology, you're able to focus more on connecting with leads that matter most, driving your business forward effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy lead generation.